In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Ehlers Center of Gravity Oscillator indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the indicator, how to add it to your chart, and how to adjust the basic settings so it's tailored to your trading style. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. Once your chart is up, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually located near the middle of the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the Indicators window, which is where all of TradingView's built-in tools, scripts, and community indicators live. Inside this window, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is the quickest way to find exactly what you're looking for, especially when there are hundreds of indicators available. Click into the search bar so your cursor is active and ready to type. Now, start typing Ehlers Center of Gravity Oscillator. As you type, TradingView will begin filtering the results in real time. You should see the Ehlers Center of Gravity Oscillator appear in the list below the search bar. Make sure you select the one that matches this exact name so you're using the correct indicator. When you see it, click on it once. TradingView will automatically add it to your chart, usually in a separate pane below the price. With the indicator now visible, it's time to adjust the settings. To do that, hover over the name of the indicator on the left side of the pane and click on the settings icon. This opens a settings window where you can fine-tune inputs like length or smoothing and customize the visual style such as colors and line thickness. Take a moment to adjust these to match your preferences or your existing chart theme. If you're just starting out, you can keep the default values and only tweak the colors to make the lines easier to see against your background. When you're happy with the changes, click OK or Apply to save them. If you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want to follow along with the same features I'm using, you can use the link in my video description to sign up. That way, you'll have access to all the tools you need, including this indicator, and you can customize your charts just like you see here.